Hi all, welcome to Programmers Event. This section is about Little Talk. So we are going to see about Apigee here. So nowadays the modern application developments, web application developments relies basically on REST API calls. So many programming languages like Java or Python or any kind of Express.js or any kind of languages are just creating functionalities to support the REST API calls. So that is the main usage of them. And then front-end tools like React or Angular will catch those REST API calls and perform operations. So Apigee is one such great tool, which is from the Google Cloud's native API management platform. So with which we can use to build, manage, and secure APIs, and for any use case, environment, or scale. So that is the greatest advantage of Apigee. So what is Apigee? Apigee is an API gateway management framework. It is owned by Google, so which is mainly used for exchanging data between different cloud applications and services. So many services and sites are using RESTful APIs that we are all know about very clearly. So API gateways are just to connect the sites and services with the data that is fed from the backend. So in simple words, you can call like Apigee is a tool to manage an API gateway for developing, deploying, and produce a user-friendly app. The features of Apigee is like it can bought subscription model where the API management platform is available to be used, and the product has connect for the present user interaction interfaces with the data stores, and it can automate documentation of APIs and software development kits. It also works both on hybrid cloud and multi-cloud environments. So it is available in the cloud environment. That is the greatest usage of Apigee, and it will connect with analytics and machine learning to produce valuable insights. It is scalable, so we can make it very useful for our application developments, and it also provides various tools to monitor and troubleshoot APIs along with the security and optimization. API development lifecycle. So each interface has its own sort of development lifecycle. Likewise, we have to align and synchronize API proxy deployment with the software development process, including documentation, developing, testing, and executing the applications. That is how the API development lifecycle runs. PG Edge API is used to manage API resources in Edge. The API also provides the features that are not available over the net and are exposed by the UI. So we can use Apigee Edge API so to manage the API resources. We also have the samples here. So Apigee Edge has the samples here. github.com/apigee/API platform samples tree master learn Edge. So you can get the samples from here and you can work out of your own to understand Apigee. Thanks for watching the video. Welcome to Programmers Events. Please subscribe my channel.